African elephant. African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with males weighing up to 6.8 tons and females weighing up to 3.7 tons. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth, with adults reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing as much as 200 tons. Giant panda. Giant pandas have a unique diet, as they are primarily herbivores that feed almost exclusively on bamboo, consuming up to 38 kilograms 84 pounds of bamboo per day. Platypus. Platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young, and it is also one of the few venomous mammals, with males possessing venomous spurs on their hind legs. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagles are one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey, with a wingspan of up to 7.4 feet and the ability to lift prey weighing up to 17 pounds, including monkeys and sloths. Axolotl. Axolotls are unique amphibians that can regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, heart, and spinal cord, making them a valuable model organism for scientific research. Leafcutter ant. Leafcutter ants are known for their remarkable ability to cultivate fungus gardens, which they feed with freshly cut plant material and use as their primary food source. Tardigrade, water bear. Tardigrades are microscopic animals that can survive extreme conditions, such as high radiation, extreme temperatures, and even the vacuum of space, by entering a state called cryptobiosis. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is known for its incredible ability to imitate the appearance and behavior of other marine animals, such as lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish, as a defense mechanism against predators. Thorny Devil. The Thorny Devil is a small Australian lizard that has a unique way of collecting water. It uses its skin's grooves and capillary action to channel water from any part of its body to its mouth.